The king oysters were a no for me, dog. They're a no for me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making vegan fried chicken 2 ways. Let's get started. Now our 2 meat substitutes for today are going to be king oyster mushrooms, regular oyster mushrooms, and vital wheat gluten, aka seitan. Let's get started on our seitan version. For our seitan mixture, we're going to start off with 1.5 cups of seitan, 1 tablespoon of your favorite chicken seasoning. I'm using kicking chicken, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon apiece of onion and garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of better than bouillon. Let's mix all our dry ingredients around. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. And let's start off with 1/2 cup of water. Knead that all together. And add your second 1/2 cup. So now we're at a whole cup of water. Make sure you get all the seasonings off the side. Everything incorporated. I'm gonna add just a little bit more water to get some of this stuff off the side of the bowl. I've moved our seitan to a cutting board, and I'm gonna cut it into, I'm just gonna cut it how I wanna cut it, how I want my chicken to look. Alright, so I have odd pieces, but that's how, like, the shape I want it to be when I fry it. I've already turned on my kasari, and I'm going to steam these pieces for 20 minutes. If you do not have a steam rack or anything like that, you can always use a double boiler. Oh, one fell in. Alright, we'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Ooh, that looked dirty. Ooh. Like this. I think I'm gonna cut this again this way. This piece is good. This is the piece that fell in the water. Look at the difference, y'all. Wow. You don't belong. For our wet batter, I have 1/2 cup of almond milk, and I'm gonna just squirt in some, whoa, okay, wow. Gonna squirt in some mustard. You can't see that, but it was about a tablespoon worth. And just like 2 dashes of cayenne pepper. That's it, that's it. Whisk that together. For our dry mixture, I have a cup of flour. I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of onion powder, kicking chicken. That is actually barbecue, crap. Where is my kicking chicken? Y'all, that was the wrong season. This is kicking chicken. That was a little barbecue seasoning, but it's okay. It ain't gonna ruin it. There we go, kicking chicken. Oh, I'm tripping. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper. There we go. Now let's mix this all up. All right, let's do dry, wet, whoa, back to dry, okay? You would do this with 2 different hands. I'm just not being too smart about it, okay? Alright, I am all done with our seitan. I didn't use it all because I know I'm not going to eat it all, so I froze the rest for future use. I am not going to fry these yet, guys, because now we're going to batter our oyster mushrooms. Here are my oyster mushrooms. I'm taking it back old school with the seasonings, y'all. We have here 1 cup of flour mixed with 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to add enough water to this bowl to make it smooth. And in this bowl, all I have is 1/2 cup of cornmeal. Alright, this is 5 tablespoons of water. Let's see if that does it. I don't know why I keep using this whisk. Okay, that's not enough. I just poured water in. I didn't measure. Y'all can just see yourself. You see what I'm doing? I'm seeing myself. Alright, I think that's good. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I did it. Let's go, Lawrys. We going liberal. I want this to be salty. I know that's a lot. I know that. We're gonna take our oyster mushroom and pull them apart. This is gonna look like little, well, that's good enough. But you're gonna pull them apart to get like little chicken pieces. You're gonna do wet, dry, and shake. Okay? Okay guys, here we are. Just like the seitan, I have more oyster mushrooms left, but I'm not about to eat all that, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in the fridge for later consumption. I did not forget about the king oyster mushroom. I'm actually gonna cook that traditionally with the garlic onion just to show you guys, because I know somebody is hollering about this lawrys. Somebody hollering. I don't wanna hear it. But my oil is ready, so let's go ahead and start frying what we have. Starting off with our seitan pieces. It has been 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the pieces and let it cook for maybe 30 more seconds. Y'all see that? All right, there are all our seitan pieces. Now we're ready to switch to our mushrooms. Okay, I didn't cause a fire. The whole complex alarm is going off, so I turned the stove off. I'm gonna show you how to fry the oyster, king oyster, with a voiceover. I don't even know if y'all can hear this. Alright y'all, I came outside hoping it'll be less loud, but it's dogs barking out here. I can still hear the fire alarm. Anyway, here we go with our seitan and our oyster mushrooms. I got the hot sauce already on deck. Alright, so let me start off with the oyster mushroom. Oh my god. So good. The breading. You don't even taste the oyster, you just taste the breading. Seitan. Also really good. Inside looks like trash. The inside looks like trash. Can y'all see that? It looks so gross. It's so good. I like both of them. Hold on. We gotta wait for the fire department. This happens once a month. Ain't no fire. Ain't no fire. The alarm just stopped. The chicken is cold, but the oyster mushrooms are all done. Here's one right here. I have not tried it yet. Already feels like a softer batter than the other two. Yeah, the inside is very meaty. This is my favorite texture inside, but it's my least favorite batter. You may have also noticed I covered some seitan and barbecue sauce. I just want to take a bite. I just want to try it, y'all. I just want to try it. Okay y'all, you know voiceover Aaron's here because real Aaron did not plug the mic in. You know what I'm gonna do? Just when I have my taste testers over, we just unplug the mic because this is ridiculous. I'm sitting here sad, like I'm real life sad y'all, because this is an important video for y'all to hear audio. Anyway, right now I'm saying that my original taste tester did not come over, and this is actually my friend's cousin, and she is the best. Thank you so much for coming, girl. Right now she is tasting the oyster mushroom, not king, regular oyster mushroom. Okay, don't know what she's saying, but she's saying okay. Something about she can do it. You can see her face. I don't know what I'm saying. A lot of hand gestures. Okay. Now she's trying the barbecue seitan or vital wheat gluten. Something about texture being off, but it's not bad. This is the original seitan. Now this is an hour and a half later, guys. My original taste tester canceled once again, so the chicken was old. I ain't gonna lie to you, so it got chewy, which also upset my entire life. She's saying something, but it's okay. This is a king oyster mushroom. I warned her that I did not like it. Ooh, there go that face. She didn't like it either. Yeah. All right, so I sped through this. More friends coming over. Same thing. I did not give them the king oyster mushroom at all, but they liked it. They definitely liked the barbecue seitan. They thought it was delicious. Blah, blah, blah. You see them eating. Y'all, listen, it was a success. I'm sad. Take my word for it. Hey, jig. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.